Surprise-a-roo!
Hey everybody, I'm Joy. I'm Sparkle.
I'm Bird. I'm Scooter.
And today we're gonna make Christmas ornaments.
Yay!
Today we're gonna learn colors. I love colors!
Yay!
Hey guys, let's open up our kits and see what's inside. Whoa! A gingerbread man?
A Christmas tree? Some decoration. Look at this green Christmas tree.
We have a brown gingerbread man. But I know I can't eat him. Our gingerbread man is gonna have black eyes. How many black eyes do you see? Comment down below.
Our Christmas tree is gonna have red decorations. Nice. All it needs is glue.
Are you ready for the 3 marking challenge?
Yes!
All right, Sparkle, you go first. Close your eyes and pick your 3. That's 1. Ooh. Uh-oh, you got 2. You got to put 1 back. Close your eyes and put 1 back. All right, let me help you out. Okay. All right, open your eyes. Let's see what you have.
Purple.
All right, what's your next color?
Pink.
All right, and your next color?
Blue.
Blue. My turn. Here we go. Oh, no peeking for me. This is gonna be so difficult. All right, here we go. I have 1. I hope it's a good one. 2 and 3. I have red. I have blue and gray.
Daddy, I like your hat.
Ooh, and I like your bow. That's pretty. Guys, we're gonna start. We have 2 minutes to complete the challenge. Let's get going right now. Flip your pages over. Let's go. Let's go, Sparkle. Let's go.
Oh!
Right.
Show pictures.
Yeah, let's show them what we have. All right, this is gonna be fun. All right, let's go.
Here's
Timer starts now.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna draw his nose pink.
Oh.
All pink.
Oh no, you're beating me. You're gonna finish your whole picture. I don't know if I'm gonna be done. What color are you using now?
Purple.
Purple. Mine is gonna look better.
No, mine.
Yours?
Yeah.
We're gonna let the people decide. Y'all comment down below whose you think looks better so far. I think it's gonna be mine. Uh-oh, I messed up and got it outside the lines a little bit. This is exciting.
Oh, Joy, let's talk about those colors. Open them up. Okay, and that first one is white. Do y'all know how to say white in Spanish? It's blanco.
Blanco.
Muy bien, Sparkle. Do y'all say it blanco?
Blanco.
All right, go ahead and dump that one in. All right, and pull out the next one, Joy. Ooh, green. Repeat after me. Verde.
Verde.
Okay, so dump the verde one in. All right, and then that red one, in Spanish, that is rojo.
Rojo.
Excelente. All right, dump it in.
And I'm gonna have the same color.
Yep, dump them all in. Dump them in. Mix them up good. Let's see what those pom-poms look like in that slime. Awesome. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Here's the bag. Go ahead and select a number. What numero will you get? What numero do you have? Oh, el numero dos. Y'all got the number 2. Ooh. 2. All right, so everybody say dos.
Dos.
Muy bien. Okay, so I'm gonna give you bag number 2. What's inside? What y'all get?
wish Christmas was tomorrow. I know. We get all the gifts. Good night. Good night. It can't be. It can't be. Did I just hear sleigh bells? Did I hear Santa Claus? I think we did.
Who can that be at this time of night? Let's go see.
Wow!
Because you don't have a fireplace. Girls, come quick.
What is it?
Presents from Santa.
This one has my name on it. This one has my name on it.
Me too.
How many gifts do you see in this video? Comment down below in Spanish.
Guys, are y'all excited that Christmas came early?
Yeah! Hey everybody, guess what? Sparkle gave us a challenge to make her one giant gingerbread man house in 24 hours.
Oh, Spark.
Sparkle's asleep right now, but when she wakes up, she's going to be amazed. We have our work cut out for us.
Literally. Never underestimate a man in his shoes.
You guys, any tips you have for building this gingerbread house, comment down below.
Wow, guys, it looks really interesting in here. What are y'all doing?
We're making a gingerbread house.
A gingerbread house?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, wait till Sparkle sees this. She's gonna love it.
we're surprising her.
Awesome.
Right now, she's laying down. Yeah.
I hear someone else. Who's over there?
It's me.
Hi. Hard at work, I see.
This is going to be wonderful.
How's the gingerbread house coming, guys?
Coming right along.
Good. Sparkle's gonna love this.
I bet she will. Wow, that's pretty awesome. It's pretty spacious inside.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that room. Looks like we might could actually build a house, guys.
Until the wind comes.
When she says this, she's gonna be jumping up in here. I think this is so good just to be handmade. You know, like it looks really good to be handmade.
Yeah, I agree. I'm pretty impressed with you all.
Well, we finished it.
That was hard work.
Yeah. Sparkle, we have something special for you. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is awesome. Where can I go now? I'm gonna run around. This is awesome. I just got my jingle bell. Come on, everybody, let's decorate it.
Let's put on the lights.
Lots of lights.
Those lights look beautiful on the tree. Let's all put on an ornament. Me.
First one on.
First one. Second one.
Third.
Coming together.
Today we're going to be checking out some awesome Christmas trees.
And doing the Find Santa challenge.
Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Look at the awesome Christmas tree I found. Look at all these ornaments. They were sewn. Look! I found a Hawaiian Santa.
Do you all see this superhero tree? I like the red ornaments.
Do you guys see this beautiful ballet tree? It's awesome. I love these white ballet slippers. I used to do ballet.
Do you guys see this tree? Red ball, gold ball. It has lots of red reindeer. A candy cane tree. Comment down below if you like candy canes. Look guys, I found Santa.
I found a purple tree and it also matches my shirt. For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.